Hey there, thanks for joining me today. I've been using the INNOCN 49-inch curved gaming monitor for weeks, and if you're the kind of person who refuses to compromise between workspace and playtime, this is for you. You're the kind of person who knows quality when you see it, the person who's outgrown OK monitors and refuses to settle for the blur, the lag, the tiny screen that just won't cut it. This monitor is built for you. Before you decide, check current price and stock because real upgrades like this don't hang around. You knew it was time to upgrade when your old screen couldn't keep up, maybe your multitasking slowed down, maybe games felt boxed in, maybe you found yourself shrinking windows because the view was too tight. That moment came, and once this monitor is plugged in, you feel that change. The compromise era ends here. In real life you'll see it in action, opening a full suite of apps side by side, dragging windows across two virtual screens without interruption, jumping into a late-night gaming session where the ultrawide view pulls you into the world and the curve wraps around you, switching to console or PC effortlessly thanks to the ports and the high refresh rate, all of it just works. You feel responsiveness, you feel space, you feel freedom. The specs matter, yes, but what matters even more is how it feels. Native 144 Hz refresh rate, 32:9 ultrawide aspect, 3840 by 1080, or in certain variants higher resolution, 99% sRGB coverage, HDR 400, you feel the difference. Once you feel this level of performance, going back feels like stepping backwards. Every time you catch yourself looking at weaker screens, you'll remember how this one moves, how it immerses. And don't wait for weird sales cycles or stock to vanish. If this fits your lane, act now. If you're hesitating because you think, do I really need this many inches, this wide, flip the thought, you're not buying overkill, you're buying headroom, you're buying muscle in your workflow and setup. The surprise benefit? The built-in speakers and USB-C connectivity make this one cable rig for laptop plus gaming switch. That space you free up? You'll feel it. You feel incredible immersion when you game, you feel supreme control when you multitask, you feel the freedom of a workspace that keeps up, you feel proud because your gear reflects your standards. Downsides: the resolution is lower than some ultra-high-end monitors, so pixel density might not match 4K, and to get the full benefit you'll need enough desk space and a strong GPU. At some point you stop